We welcome you very warmly. We are very pleased that you trust us and we will be able to show you the steps to your wedding dance. At the beginning, I will mention you to watch the choreography video as often as possible and listen to the music as often as possible, so that you know which steps should be at what point in the music. Here we go. As you saw in the choreography video, we start dancing from the back of the dance floor so that we can take a few steps forward towards the center of the dance floor. We hold hands. Dominica is on my right. I start with my right leg, Dominica starts with her left leg. We take 4 steps forward. We look at each other. My left arm can be bent at the elbow at the level of the stomach. I can put my left hand on my lower back. I can also have my arm along the body, as if I were walking down the street, but the arm cannot be glued to the body, then I look stiff. There must be a slight distance between the arm and the body. This time I will put my hand on my lower back.
First of all, let me mention that if you have a wide wedding dress and you can grab it, whenever you are not holding your partner and you have a free hand, you can grab the dress and gently work with it. It looks nice in the photos. If you have a narrow dress, remember that your hands are not glued to your body. There should be a slight distance between my hands and my body at all times. The hands should not be raised too high, then we look stressed. At the beginning of the choreography we stand facing the guests. This is very important. The guests usually stand in a U shape. I start with my left leg. Towards the end I should be slightly in front of my partner. Of course, during these steps we look at each other. Left, right, left, right. Look, I'm slightly ahead of my partner. Tomek put his feet together and I took all the steps forward. Now I'm going to take steps around my partner, so I've already turned slightly to the left so that it's easier for me to start the steps in a circle. In the music for the whole circle I have 6 beats. You can take 6 steps or more if you feel that the dress is too tight or you can't take big steps in high heels. If you take more steps, they have to be faster.